everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I want to talk about starting all over again, and I want to share my story about how I start all over again. I have to start all over again on YouTube, and some of the reasons why you are probably stuck and how to resolve it. Okay, so let's get right into the video. If you are watching my video right now, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Is going to be quite insightful. So how I started again on YouTube. So a couple of years ago, I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel, but I've been going through different challenges with work, with my career, with some phase of my life at that point. Okay, so that stood as a barrier towards me getting consistent and posting on YouTube. But now I am here again, and I'm trying to get all the motivation that I can. So I'm going to be sharing the things that I did that really helped me to get started again, and I developed the passion for YouTube right now. Okay, so the first thing that happened to me during my own experience was that I didn't know what to talk about. I didn't have a niche. I didn't know the kind of content to start doing. I was just unaware about so many things, so that got me stuck. Even though I share about some of my outreaches, because then I was working, I'm still in the child security sector. So sometimes when I go out for outreaches, I make videos and then I post it on YouTube, and I realize that I have a lot of views, and and that was just the end. And anytime and it is not every time I go out like that on outreach like that I get to make video. There are some times that I am not able to make any video at all. So but I've been reading so much about YouTube. I want to start my YouTube, I want to be consistent. I want to be a YouTuber. I want to create video and all of that. So the first thing that I had to do is that I had to sit down and think deeply. So maybe one of the reasons why you're also stuck is that you're trying to figure out what you want to talk about, which niche you want to get started with, and all of that. I remember that when I started posting on YouTube, I want to start sharing about child safety, child security, empowerment, and all those stuff. But then I realized that won't help me to be able to talk about other things that might interest me. Okay, so I decided to take a pause. Right, I decided to take a pause, and then I also decided to go into probably lifestyle, family, and all that. But at the end of it all, I realized that all of these things, I'm just getting confused. So probably you're also at that stage right now where you're getting confused. You need clarity. You need to just sit down, list your interest, your passion, and find a way to combine it. Because right now, what is on my YouTube channel now is that I want to talk about skills, about empowerment, and also how to stay productive. And that is what I want to begin with right now. And I've done a lot of research concerning that. So I also advise that if you are stuck, please do research, go and learn about your areas of interest and what you want to get started with on YouTube, because this is one major reason why you might be stuck. And also another thing that you have to do, which I also did, that helped me to come back here on YouTube, is that I go to fine-tune my video editing skills. This is also very important because you will be making a video, so you need to learn some tips on how to set up your camera, how to set up your video, how to start filming, how to even edit. Because I know right now this is a stage where you might not have a lot of money to pay a video editor to edit your videos for you. So you need to learn some of these things, at least the basic, so that as a beginner on YouTube, you'll be able to edit your video, film your video perfectly yourself. as I am currently doing, because I also am a beginner, so and I don't have that huge amount of money to pay a video editor, so I have to learn some of these video editing skills. I have to check out some apps that will help me to edit my videos. These are some of these things that helps me in planning and preparation for me to come back again on YouTube. So you might be stuck, which is okay, but I will say that while you're trying to come back, try to gather more knowledge, do your research, fine-tune your skills, necessary skill, because YouTube is a lot of work. I wouldn't even lie about that. You have to learn some skills. You have to learn how to create content. You have to learn how to film. It requires a lot. So you have to come with your A game. There are so many skills that you have to learn, like content creation, video editing, how to come on camera, how to speak, how to be eloquent. You want to fine-tune your speaking abilities. You want to get on camera and be able to speak confidently, and then you have to be able to learn the kind of topic you want to come on YouTube to come and talk about. So please also drop in the comment section some encouraging words, because I'm just getting started again, so I need a lot of motivation. I need a lot of motivation, I need a lot of encouragement so that I don't go back again. But I would let you know that gaining all of those skills, fine-tuning your skill, skilling up, they boost your confidence. They have this confidence that it gives to you, and this motivation that they naturally give to you. So one of my advice, like I mentioned earlier, is that you're going to fine-tune your skill, get necessary skills on YouTube, becoming a YouTube, filming your video, content creation, video editing, making your research on the kind of niche that you want to get started with. So if you want to grow on YouTube, my advice would be that focus on a particular niche and try to be consistent. I'm also lagging in this area, but I'm coming up. So this video is just to encourage new YouTubers like me who are currently stuck and who are trying to they're trying to come up. And that is why I've titled this "Starting All Over Again" on YouTube, because I know there are quite a number of people too that are also like me. They were once in this situation, or they are still in this situation as I have. So get your niche, make your research, learn content creation, learn video editing, and learn some tips on how to upload your video accurately, on how to post your videos. Probably as I go on in this journey, I'll be sharing more about how I get to do all of these things by myself, film my video, create my content, and all of that. So like I mentioned earlier, this is just me sharing this part of me on how I started all over again on YouTube, and my journey, and also how I hope to keep showing up, getting consistent. Even though it's hard, I'm going to try my best. And I also believe that you should try your best, because YouTube actually is a long-term thing, and it is rewarding for all your hard work. And besides, doing all of these things as a way of you are investing in yourself, you're trying to grow yourself. It has a way of enhancing your personal development goals, and also it has a way of boosting your confidence and also sharpening your skills. And that is what I love YouTube about. So I will encourage that if you are getting started, it's a very good platform, as I've done a lot of research about this, and that is why I can come up here to talk about them. So this is where we're going to end today's video, and again next video I'll be sharing another insightful tip, another interesting topic that you don't want to miss. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please, if you can relate with what I've said so far in this video, please drop a comment for me in the comment section, and let's start interacting. I would love to know you. I love to interact with you. I love to build a community where we can grow together and we are able to do something productive with our time, even while being here on YouTube. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and drop a comment. I would love to have a conversation with you. Let's have a chat on your journey on YouTube. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye everyone.